Okay, I have my TOOCAA Nova set up, ready to go. We're gonna have a little bit of fun. It's World Cup season, and I'm gonna make a little World Cup ornament for my team USA to hang on the wall. We're gonna do that with the laser. The other thing we're gonna do that with is some colored boards that they sent over for me to work with. I'm excited to get to try this out. Now, the fun thing about this is an AI machine. If you're using the software that they make, then it integrates their AI technology, which means we can take the different cue cards with the QR codes on them, and it lets the machine know what materials we're using, and it will automatically set everything for us as far as speed and power and whatever else we need to do what the job that we're trying to get done. There's no guesswork, and so it makes getting into it a lot quicker, rather than on my other lasers I have to do a material test, figure out what settings best suit what I'm looking for. They've already done all of that for you and know the settings for their materials that you can buy through them. So let's get started on that. First thing I'm gonna do, I've already got some 2.8mm basswood in there that I've been playing around with. So on the screen, you're gonna notice this big black hole on it, and that's because it's already cut. So I'm gonna take the card that came with that wood, and I'm going to just simply place it in the laser bed. The camera is automatically gonna pick that up. So I'll just go over here on my software. You see right now it's set for craft paper. So I can scan the QR code, and it's gonna recognize and automatically choose the material. So it's okay, this is 2.8mm basswood, click OK, and now my settings over here are adjusted for that wood, and I can go and change my line setting to cut, because I'm doing nothing but cutting on this video. Now that that is set, I will take and open this, and I'll get this out. I've already cut on this piece once, and I'm going to drag in what I am wanting to cut right here into my software. I'm going to drag this other piece in and cut it as well. Let's rotate that 90 degrees so it'll fit, and we'll get that in there. And so now I'm going to go turn off the cuts that I'm not going to make just yet. Now that I have my stuff set in the laser bed, I'm going to frame it up, and I can clearly see that that's going to stay on my material. And then one of my favorite features is the autofocus. You just click here, the laser is going to move over your material and lower down until it automatically knows where it needs to be perfectly focused. Once that comes back into position, we'll hit the Let's Create. It shows me what it's gonna do. It's gonna take about 40 seconds, and I'm going to start and run it. The air assist is kicked on, and the exhaust fan is now kicking on as well. And here we go. Now the cuts I need are done. So I can pull this out here, and you can see that what I was wanting is now done. The next piece I'm going to unhide is we're going to go with our blue. So I'm going to grab the two that were in there that I don't need anymore, and I'm going to pull all that off and out of the way. I'm going to take my blue board, I'll set it in. Now this board, about the size of a piece of paper, it's A4. And put my QR code in there, and we're going to close this up. We're going to scan the QR code. And boom, recognize my material, and it automatically adjusts my settings. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab my parts that I want. I'm going to put this part here. I'm gonna put my USA right. Oop. I just want the USA. And drag it in here. I want to use the least amount as possible to keep as much of my material, be most efficient with my materials I can be. Okay, now I have those in there, so we're going to turn off everything but the blue. And we will remove our color card. Let's frame it up. Let's focus it. Now that it's done focusing, let's go. Another quick process here. I'm gonna let the laser start doing its thing and cut out my blue shapes. Now it has those cut out of my blue one, leaving my USA there. I like it. Next, we're going with the red board. Now the settings will probably be the same because it's the same board, it's just a different size, but we'll still do it. Got it. All right, so let's turn the red layers on. Let's get these blue layers out of the way. And take my red layer here. Now I'm gonna put it pretty close to the top edge there. Turn off my blue layers, frame it up. Perfect. Let's autofocus. Now we've done that, let's go. Pieces for that. So what I'm going to do now is I'll make a little template to line up my pieces. Focus it. Let's create it. Now I have the template piece I'm looking for. Right there. I've got all my parts cut out. So I'm gonna take a little bit of super glue and put my little USA sign together. There you go. That's my World Cup Team USA ornament that I can have hanging around the house in support of Team USA in the FIFA World Cup 2026. Made this with the TOOCAA Nova. Did it in about 30 minutes with my first time really getting into using this machine. I loved the way everything operated, and I loved all the features of this machine. So if you're interested in checking it out, I've left a link down in the description below. You should definitely check this thing out. It's a really nice laser.